one. Now to lowercase, same thing. Write down the wrapper class character. You have to write the character wrapper class. The C will be a capital letter as usual. Then dot to lowercase, to lowercase letter. Alright, CH is the argument. If I write like this, for example, write like this, and the return type, as usual, the return type is also a character over here. The return type is also a character to lowercase. Now, one example let us take. System, suppose I am writing like this, system dot out dot print ln, within the bracket I write character, same thing, character dot to lowercase, to lowercase, then ch, if I write capital P or I write the capital Q, I write the capital Q. You see Q is represented within a single quote. Alright. Then if you run it or execute it, the output will be, or the result will be the small q, because two lowercase. This will convert the argument to the lowercase. The argument is actually capital Q. Now it will convert to lowercase. So the answer will be Q only. The answer will be Q only. Now let us go to the last one, that is the toString. So this is a different from the other 6 strings. toString convert a argument to a string. Now over here you write the character, you write, for example, to string I write to string. In this case you write system, the output, the result, or the return type rather you can call, the return type is a string type. It converts the character into the string. Now if I write character dot to string, any character I write, for example A I write, then I give this semicolon, then the result will be a string type within a double quotes. The result will be a double quotes. So this brings to the end of this 7 character function. About the character function, our objective was to learn about the character function and the types of the character function. These are the 7 characters, normally which we will discuss in class 10. Is letter, is digit, is letter or digit, then is white space, then to uppercase, then to lowercase, and then to string, and then the syntax of the individual to be written. Now remember, each string to be written in the character, each string to be written along with a wrapper class should start with a capital letter. Alright, this brings to the end of today's class, and we'll continue with our other class, next class. Thank you.